Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the REDMED medical app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. REDMED is a medical consultation app designed to help users connect with healthcare professionals quickly and conveniently. The app allows you to request online doctor consultations, get digital prescriptions, and access medical guidance without needing to visit a clinic in person. It's available on major mobile platforms and is commonly used for general health concerns, follow-ups, and quick medical advice. The app's main feature is its ability to connect users with certified doctors through online chat or video calls. You can describe your symptoms, ask medical questions, and receive professional recommendations directly in the app. REDMED also maintains your consultation history and provides easy access to prescriptions or follow-up care. For many users, the convenience of avoiding long clinic queues and getting medical advice from home is a major benefit. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its quick response times, simple interface, and the ability to speak with doctors without waiting for in-person appointments. It offers flexibility for people who want fast medical support or who live in areas with limited access to clinics. However, there are some drawbacks. The app may not cover all specialties, and some users report delays during peak hours. Certain medical issues still require physical checkups, meaning REDMED cannot replace traditional healthcare entirely. Additionally, service availability can vary by region, and some consultations may require payment depending on the doctor or service selected. In summary, the REDMED app may be worth using if you want fast, convenient access to medical professionals for everyday health concerns, follow-ups, or basic medical advice. However, for serious conditions or detailed examinations, an in-person visit may still be necessary. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.